Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is essential microbiological laboratory instruments. Let's understand each instrument in small detail. Autoclave. The autoclave operates on the principle of moist heat sterilization, using saturated steam under pressure. Standard operating conditions are 121 degrees Celsius at 15 psi for 15 to 20 minutes. Though higher temperatures may be used for resistant spores applications, sterilization of culture media, glassware, and surgical instruments. Decontamination of microbiological waste, advantage, highly effective, reliable, and widely used in pharmaceutical and clinical laboratories. Hot air oven. The hot air oven uses dry heat sterilization, where microorganisms are destroyed by oxidative damage to proteins. Typical operating conditions include 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours or 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Applications: sterilizing glassware like petri dishes, flasks, pipettes, metal instruments and powders. Limitation: not suitable for heat-sensitive materials. Incubator. An incubator maintains a stable temperature, commonly 30 to 37 degrees Celsius, depending on the organism. Some incubators also control humidity and CO2 levels. Applications: growth of bacterial and fungal cultures, biochemical and enzyme studies, sterility testing. Refrigerator. Laboratory refrigerators operate at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, slowing down enzymatic and microbial activity. Applications: storage of culture media, preservation of microbial strains, storage of reagents, vaccines, and samples. Importance: prevents degradation and contamination. Microscope. Microscopes work on optical magnification and resolution. Common types include compound microscope, phase contrast microscope, and fluorescence microscope. Applications: observation of bacterial morphology, gram staining and cell structure analysis, identification of microorganisms. Laminar air flow, LAF. Laminar air flow provides unidirectional HEPA-filtered air, removing 99.97% of particles greater than or equal to 0.3 microns. Applications: aseptic culture transfers, media preparation, microbiological testing. Types: horizontal LAF, vertical LAF. Analytical balance. An analytical balance measures mass with precision up to 0.1 mg or 0.0001 g. Applications: weighing media components, preparation of standards and reagents. Quantitative analysis. Precaution: must be used in a vibration-free environment. pH meter. A pH meter measures hydrogen ion activity using a glass electrode and reference electrode. Applications: pH adjustment of culture media, buffer preparation, quality control testing. Importance: correct pH is essential for microbial growth. Centrifuge. A centrifuge separates particles using centrifugal force, expressed in RPM or RCF. Applications: cell harvesting, separation of plasma and serum, protein and DNA extraction. Types: benchtop centrifuge, refrigerated centrifuge, ultracentrifuge. Colony counter. A colony counter uses illumination and magnification to count colonies accurately. Applications: microbial load determination, quality control testing, water and food analysis. Advantage: reduces human counting errors. Water bath. A water bath maintains a uniform temperature using thermostatic control, usually between 25 to 100 degrees Celsius. Applications: enzyme reactions. Sample incubation, melting agar and media. Bunsen burner. A Bunsen burner produces a hot, non-luminous flame. Applications: sterilization of inoculating loops and needles, creating an aseptic zone. Flaming culture tube mouths. Safety tip: always use with caution in microbiology labs. Conclusion: these instruments ensure sterility, precision, reproducibility, and safety in microbiological work. A strong understanding of their principles and applications is essential for students and professionals in pharma, microbiology, and quality control. Thank you for watching.